Have you ever stopped to wonder, what exactly are you made of? Not just bones or muscles or skin, not even atoms. Go deeper, smaller, past the molecules, past the particles, what's left? Surprisingly, it's not stuff, it's energy. Yes, you, right now, sitting there are made entirely of invisible, vibrating energy. And today, we're going to show you the scientific proof. No hype, no magic, just pure physics. Let's begin. In our last video, we explored Einstein's most famous equation E equals mc squared. It tells us that mass and energy are the same thing in different forms. We usually think of this in terms of nuclear bombs or stars, but here's the twist. It also applies to you. Your body, your cells, even a grain of sand, all contain energy locked up as mass. You are energy, frozen into physical form. Let's look closer. Your body is made of atoms. Each atom is 99.999999% empty space. But here's the catch. It's not truly empty. That space is filled with fields, forces, and motion, mostly energy. So why do we feel solid? Because of something called electromagnetic force. It's what keeps atoms from passing through one another. You're not actually touching a chair right now, you're repelling it, electrically. Alright, think about your daily life for a moment. You eat food, right? Well, your body breaks it down, and that releases chemical energy. Your cells, they store it. And then you move, think, breathe, and even heat up, all using that stored energy. Now here's something fascinating. The energy inside you was once sunlight. Yeah, it was transformed into biological fuel. So, essentially, you are a walking solar-powered machine. And that energy, it's still governed by Einstein's equation. Mass turning into motion, heat, thought. Now let's zoom in one step further, into the quantum world. At this level, particles don't behave like tiny balls. No, they behave like waves, vibrations, packets of energy. So when you touch your hand, you're not actually touching solid matter, you're interacting with waves, energy fields, invisible vibrations that somehow give rise to skin, blood, thoughts, and emotions. Remember, Einstein said mass equals energy. So what is mass really? It's not stuff, it's energy held in place, a kind of inertia, the resistance of energy to being moved. Think of it like frozen lightning. Your entire body, all 60 trillion cells, all your atoms, are bundles of frozen energy just waiting to be transformed. This isn't poetry, this is physics. Still skeptical? Well, let's look at the proof all around us. Nuclear power. Splitting atoms turns a small amount of mass into massive energy. PET scans actually use matter-antimatter annihilation, where mass literally vanishes into energy. All of these processes are governed by E equals mc squared. All of them are honestly the same principle that applies to you. You're not a thing, you're a process. You are energy, organized in a way that allows you to perceive, feel, and think. And when you eventually die, that energy isn't destroyed, it changes form, maybe into heat, maybe into nutrients, maybe into starlight someday. Because you know, energy never disappears, it only transforms. So the next time you feel tired, small, or insignificant, remember this: you are a miracle of physics. A cloud of energy shaped by billions of years of cosmic history, powered by a star 93 million miles away. You're not just made of energy. You are energy, flowing, transforming, experiencing itself for a brief, beautiful moment in time. And that is the real hidden power inside everything.